Mes amis, mes amis, mes amis. Oh, oh. Mes amis, mes amis, mes amis. Ça fait des hommes pas well.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Angela. If you're one of my subscribers, hey, how you doing? Welcome back. Today it's 2 a.m. Labor Day, if you will, the day of labor. I couldn't sleep, so I was just like, you know what would be a good idea? Let me film a little tutorial. So I did this look like a year ago. I just forgot how to do it. So I was like, let me try to recreate it. It's like a Haitian inspired graphic liner tutorial, perfect for any Labor Day parades, any festivities, parties, or if you just want to rep your set everywhere you go. I mean, cause like Haitian pride, you feel me? If you want to know how I came up with this eyeliner tutorial, which is straight off the top, no rehearsal, you feel me? Straight off the dome, like Jay-Z, one take, one punch, call me Hove. If you want to see how I got this liner tutorial, keep on watching. Okay, so I just got done freestyling this look. It's not perfect, but I did it one eye, so I'm just gonna leave it on for now so I can like remember what I did. First step is I'm gonna take a blue eyeliner. This one is from NYX, so you know it's affordable. I think I probably paid like $7 or $8. This is the Vivid Brights in the color Vivid Sapphire. This is actually the hardest eye to do, but we gonna do it. That's what we're gonna do. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna start off with a basic wing liner. So hopefully it wants this hard up. Oh, I didn't mess it up. Okay, cool. So we have like the basic wing liner here. So what I'm gonna do now is just eyeline. Well, I'll show you. I'm just gonna draw a graphic line around my eyelid to make it, you know, pop. This liner is like really old. It's really a year plus old. However, comma, since it's so late, I did not want to wait to like get this tutorial out. Labor Day is like in, well, it's Labor Day, but I didn't want to hold up on this video. This really came last minute. You know what? I was gonna make this all, you know, precise and perfect. It's Labor Day. Let's have fun. We're freestyling. Yeah. We're being creative. Yeah. This is for the blue side. It'll come together. Give me a minute. It'll come together. Okay, next we're gonna add our red in. So I'm using the NYX Professional Makeup Ultimate Edit mini palette. This is Phoenix, also very old, so hopefully it works as well. I'm gonna be using this red color right here. So I'm gonna take a liner brush, angled liner brush. This one is from e.l.f., also affordable. I'm just gonna take like a lot. So that's basically doing the eyeliner. Yo, this is so chaotic, but I kind of like it. I kind of like it. It's different. It'll probably look better when I put my lashes on, but let me finish the rest of my face. I'll be back to put my lashes on. Okay, I'm back. Hopefully my face is a little bit more bearable. Yeah, so for lashes, I would go for Demi Wispy. However, I ran out, so I'm just gonna take these AliExpress lashes. And go on, and hopefully this looks good, or else I'll embarrass myself in front of millions of people. Okay, well, I'm waiting for that to get tagged. I'm just gonna talk to y'all a little bit. I didn't show it, but I actually I put pressed powder on my eyelids. Like, this would pop in the hopes that like the color would pop better. So I would recommend doing that. And I forgot what I was gonna say. Oh no. Am I getting old? I just turned 25 2 weeks ago. So guys, what are you doing for Labor Day? Let me know in the comments. Any plans? Is anyone going to a Labor Day parade? Does anyone know if a Labor Day parade's happening? Does anyone know anything? What y'all doing in Miami? What the Haitians are doing in Miami? I know y'all lit. Y'all haven't cared a lick about this pandemic. I know y'all got something planned. Let me know. New York, we just had Ida. We just had flooding. I don't know what's going on, but hopefully something. I could just party with the whites. It's fine. Okay, this actually came out a lot better than I expected. I really just freestyled this. Yeah, I'm sure if I come back and do this, like, it'll come out better. But this is not bad, you know? I think this is cool. I think so. Y'all let me know. I actually like this. This is not something I usually do, so it's like, girl, it's 2 a.m. I have sleep apnea. I cannot fall asleep. Let me just film this tutorial. Well, it's not a tutorial. It's me showing you what the hell is going on in my head at 2 a.m. in the morning. Ooh, maybe if I did this, it'll come out better. You know, some of the girls with the curly hair that put the sides up like a rock star. This is me being a rock star. Anyway, you guys let me know what you think. I think this is perfect for Labor Day. Y'all know what set I'm repping, and that's the most important part, you know? But anyway, you guys, I came out with another video I really was not even supposed to film, but I did it for y'all. So like, share, subscribe this video. If you're already subscribed, thank you so much. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you hopefully next week. Next week. Bye. Okay, so we're gonna film